Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking those videos, then you can definitely hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services and training, you can WhatsApp our customer care team 7892652481. For the ones who wants to open an account through us, Zerodha Upstock, you can open. There are offers going on, so you can check the video section. If they're still available, then you can open the accounts. Alright, so without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So today I just wanted to talk about the IPO. Remember, once I spoke about how to apply IPO and I showed you one of the IRCTC IPO. Okay, so initial public offering. So now we have one more IPO in Zerodha, where a lot of people are looking into this. So I thought I'll just alert you guys to just most of the beginners don't know about what is IPO and all. So at least now when you listen to this, one day you may understand it in a better way. In the future, when you have good amount of money, when you know better about IPO, you can utilize it. So that's the reason I'm doing this, just for your knowledge sake, not for any investment purpose. Now if you see, IPO is open. If you see start date, it is mentioned, that is Ujjivan Finance, small finance bank. So if you see, the start date is 2nd of December, that is today. I'm recorded the videos today, so 2nd till 4th. So 4th it will close. Okay, so by then only you can apply for this IPO. So when you apply for this IPO, you have to apply. They're giving for a price of 36 to 37. So if you give cutoff price, it will take at 37 rupees. So minimum quantity is 400. So you should always buy in lot size. You can't buy one share of 37 rupees. So 400 into 37, that is minimum one. Like that you can buy 400, 800, like that you can buy minimum lots like that. So minimum is 400, one lot. So you can buy like that. And just to give you an idea, so if you remember, if you're not seen the video, first go watch this video which we did around 1 or 2 months back on IRCTC, let's say 2 months back. Okay, see, here we go. So the top video, that is how to apply IPO IRCTC through Zerodha. So I've just showed you through Zerodha. You can do with your own demat accounts, okay, any brokers. So IRCTC was around 300 rupees, which we were talking about, which is already touched almost 900 rupees, almost 200 times profit, like 200% profit on this particular stock. But that was a very hot deal stock, and that's the reason it went and all that. Many didn't get subscription, all that. But why I'm saying this is, if you don't know how to apply an IPO, just see how I have done in IRCTC. Same way you can apply if you're applying for Ujjivan. And remember, never just blindly go and invest just because I'm just saying it. I'm just sharing with you that there is an IPO open. Always contact your investment advisor, or else take your own decision in your investments. Now IPO will go live after this. Now for example, now it is open in primary market, where we can invest in IPO, initial public offering. It will be less. Later on, when it opens up, okay, in the secondary market for trading, buy and sell, the price may go up. Okay, so that's a normal scenario I've seen. Sometimes first day it goes up and goes down also, depends on the company's performance. Now just a small tip for you to understand about company things and stuff, considering we are not a research analyst company to research everything. So you have a lot of IPO things in Money Control or any app if you use, or any website you go, check out these IPOs and details given by experts. Just open and read through what they have mentioned. Take 2-3 points. What are the advantages, disadvantages? Go to the another article. Just go read through and see what are the advantages and disadvantages, and then decide. Okay, because before taking an IPO, you should see what is the price they are giving. For example, 37 rupees. Is it worth? Because obviously they are making profit by selling their shares of the company. That's how they make money, capital. So is it worth? Is it priced highly? Or else, how is the company performance? If you see Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, this particular IPO, this particular company's profit is doing good consistently. I mean, if you see from 3 years consistently, they are making good profit. So that is maybe an advantage, but there are many other factors also will come into picture. So if you read these articles, you will get a better idea. So this is how you have to do your research as a common man. So this is how you can do your research. Or if you have an expert with you, you can definitely check with them. But this is where you check out and then decide whether it is worth or not, or take the initial profits when it goes out to trading. Initial first day, second day, take out the profits and exit. Few people do that, few people wait, because it depends on company performance. If company makes more profit next year or next quarter when it makes in earnings, it makes profit, again the stock goes up, because if company do good, any stock can go up, right? So that keeping that in mind, people will look at the business and its future, and then they invest, lot of people. So keep lot of things in mind, and that's how you can do. So whoever wants to place orders, you can just click and place your bid. Okay, so if I open this, it will show my personal account details and all, bank details, so I don't want to open it. But last time I had shown you, censored it and showed you in for IRCTC. So you can see how I do that. For people now, beginners who don't even know about this, what I would say is keep an eye on this stock. Once it opens in the market, look at the price, how much it trades. Okay, like that, if you observe, you will get a better idea, so that in future when you have money, you will be in a better position, that you know about IPOs, and then you can invest in them whenever required. So start now about this IPOs and stuff, so that it will help in your future. Hope this was an add-on to your knowledge, and hope this was an alert for our subscribers. Thank you so much. Like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.